Alrighty, friends, let's go ahead and figure out these problems. So we have circles in the coordinate plane. Use the information provided to write the equation of the circle described. Okay, I'm going to write down what I see. I see a center of -1, -3. And I see a radius. Looks like, I wrote 8, but it looks like 4. So that means I'm going to write x. So this is like x minus h squared, y minus k squared, and r squared. It's just the Pythagorean theorem. Leg squared plus leg squared is the hypotenuse squared. So x plus 1 squared plus y plus 3 squared. It's plus because it's minus a negative, equals r squared, so 16. And I wrote the equation. Basically, you can think of it as, if this helps, I don't know if this will help you. We're 1 away here, so if we were to add 1 to the x value, we'd get back to 0, so x plus 1. If we were to add 3 to the y value, we'd get back to the origin. So that's why it's y plus 3. So using that idea, my center is going to be -1/2, +3/2. It's whatever makes these expressions equal to 0. So that's my center. And then my radius, that's r squared, is 4, so that means r is 2. So -1/2, 3/2 is going to be somewhere here. This is not the best graph for us. And then the radius is 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2. Something like that would be your circle. We will give you a better, some better choices of numbers there. Don't worry. Ooh, parallelograms. Okay, so a couple things going on here. We've got opposite angles in a parallelogram are equal. So that's what this one is. 8x minus 7 equals 81. We're going to go ahead and add 7 to both sides. So we're going to get 88, and we're going to divide by 8, and we're going to get 11. This one's opposite sides in a parallelogram are equal. They're also parallel. So we have 2x minus 4 equals x plus 6. I don't know why I flipped the sides. I'm going to subtract x from both sides and add 4 to both sides at the same time. Oh, I got 10. If you want to plug in and check, you're going to have 16 there. 20 minus 4 is 16. So look, they are the same, which is what I wanted. Didn't let me write a 6 for that one. Ooh, okay, so in a parallelogram, the diagonals bisect. So we've got UA is x plus 13, and AS is 2x plus 2. These pieces have to be equal because that diagonal is being bisected. These pieces would also be equal, but we're not asked about that. So UA is equal to AS. So that means x plus 13 is equal to 2x plus 2. We're going to go ahead and subtract x from both sides and subtract 2 from both sides and get 11. If you plug it back in, you get 24 there, and you get 22 plus 2, which is also 24. And those are the same, which is glorious. Ooh, a kite. Okay, so in a kite, this triangle and this triangle are the same. These legs are the same. So that means 5x plus 3 equals 10x minus 12. We're going to subtract 5x from both sides, add 12 to both sides, and then divide by 5. And then, for angle stuff, these are right angles. And since those triangles are the same, I could put 8y minus 21 right up there. I'm going to need a little more room, so I'm going to shrink that. So I can write 8y minus 21 plus 3y plus 12 plus 90 equals 180. Why does it equal 180? Because the angles of a triangle add up to 180. So 8y and 3y is 11y. 90 and 12 is 102, minus 20 is 82, minus 1 more is 81, so plus 81 equals 180. Subtract 81 from both sides, I'll get 11y equals 99, which means y is 9. So I found the values of x and y. Given that AD is equal to AB, okay, so if these pieces are equal, I didn't read that part, then these pieces are equal. I just kind of assumed on the picture, which is never a good idea. But I I did it there. I hope that was helpful. Let us know if you have questions.